Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning for me. Anyhow, I have some things to show you, and they come to us compliments of Everydayecrafts. Thank you, Everydayecrafts, for letting me place another order with you. And here we are. We're unpackaged. We're going with the unpackaged plan. It seems to work well. Okay, let's get into it. Let's show you what we have. Okay? All right, let's start off with this one. Here's your basic toolkit, everything you need to diamond paint. All right, this is a full drill, and look at it. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness, I could not help myself. Grandkids warm our hearts. And it's just a big old mug of hot chocolate. We got some peppermint sticks hanging out the top, whipped cream, cookies. How much fun is that? My grandkids would like that. Yeah, isn't it cute? So it has 23 colors. All of your symbols and your DMC codes are on both sides of this canvas. Over here, over here. We got this plaid type tablecloth at the bottom. This is totally picture printed. The background is not one solid color, which I like. It looks like it's two different colors, and it just kind of does a, splotchy thing. We'll call it splotchy. What do you think? Isn't it cute? I loved it. Okay, full drill, regular drill. Here we go. Let's look at them. Trying to get this video in before the new mattress delivery. Getting a new mattress. And they're going to be here today. So, oh, look at those colors. Aren't those pretty? Aren't those fun little colors? That's like a salmon and an orangey red. Pretty colors. Okay, there's some of them. They came out by themselves. All right, here we go. Now let's just turn them over. There we go. Pretty green. Love this. Okay, this is going to be our background. We got some lighter and some darker. I'm going to love this. There's 3 shades there, actually. Love that color. Pretty. There's some more salmon color. Burgundy. Some greens. Some like pinky chocolate colors. Another orangey red and some black. We are going to have a lot of black down there and in the handle of the mug. Isn't it adorable though? It's so cute. I love it. It's super cute. You go over there. Okay, next. What do we have up next? Okay, I've had this in so many carts and haven't gotten it yet, but I have it now. It is Crystal Drills Rhinestone with the bubble background, and it's a Cardinal. So the whole back is bubble. You will notice there is 4, which is going to be our smallest, 5 will get larger, and 6 is larger. I think this is all clear. And that will make the Cardinal and the branches just pop right off the canvas, won't it? There are 17 different shapes and sizes and colors. What do you think? I think it's super cute. It's weird that it looks blue and red. That's the circle around the back, around the symbol. I wish they weren't there because they do show, because you cannot get these on there perfectly. So those circles, those guide circles are going to show. It's going to kind of make these crystals, these clear crystals, have blue and red hues. You know what I mean? I don't know. I did another one like that. But that one was okay because it had red circles and everything looked pink in the background. And it's okay because that's the painting was mainly pink. We'll have to see how this turns out. All right. Here are some black resin drills, some coppery color, a lime green. These are cool. Love these. These are like, have a super iridescent coating on them. They're picking up pinks and blues and purples. These are cool. I love these. I haven't put any on a painting yet. I haven't done one that actually has these yet, but I want to. Oh my gosh. Some reds, a green rhinestone. Then we have a purple marquee, some blue pearls, big ones, a pink faceted, round, pink teardrop. Oh, look at those. Aren't those spiff? Okay, there's like 5 of them. Where are they going to go? Probably right here, maybe. I don't know. Oh, we'll have to check those out. Where do those go? It is number 12. 12. Okay, really? It's number 12. There is no 12 on my canvas. There's literally no 12 on my canvas, you guys. Where do these go? There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't be these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I'll have to look at this a little closer later. I do not see any place for these to go. All right. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I have a feeling, do I have the wrong drills? I don't know. 13. What is 13? 13 are these flowers. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop for a second. Besides that, the mattress guy's here, and I'm going to investigate this further, and I'll be back with you. Okay, that was fun. Mattress is in. Very interesting process. It came in a box, rolled up. All right, and I had time to look at this. Okay, this is interesting. I really have no 12, so I have absolutely no place for these beauties. They do not go on this kit. They don't. I figured out that these two colors here are, I had to analyze, are some of the berries. Like the smaller circles are these two colors, okay? Then, this is interesting. I just saw Angie, Craftnado, unbox something that had one of these kinds of flowers. Mine has 2. It has a red one, and you'll see it has like gold in the center to make the center of the flower, and then it's purple. I was like, those are pretty cool. And then here I open up a kit, and I have 2 of them. So those are the larger ones, okay? These larger spots. It's unfortunate I don't have any place to put these because those are really cool. They would have made neat like feathers or something, but they don't go here. Anyhow, let's continue. Okay, here are the small clear rhinestones, 3 bags of those. Then there's a medium, 2 mediums, and a large. We already discovered that those are all of the background colors. But, I mean, it'll be pretty cool. And those flowers, right? Those flowers. Wow. Okay. All right. You go over there. Next. Okay, let's do this little guy next. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? He's one of those bags. But I think he's a different kind of bag than what I have. I think he's wider. Oh, I just tore the bag up. Okay, fine. You know, it's a day, folks. It's a day, right? Okay, so I guess he's not. No, he's the same kind of bag. It's just black. I think my other one might be red or a tan. I don't know. But I love this little reindeer guy. He is so cute. And you can put whatever you want in here. You can put lotion. You can just fill it up with stuff and give it to somebody. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get these out. I'm going to get these done for Christmas. All my little bags. Got to start working on them. There goes the dog. I'm telling you, the dogs are still a little out of sorts having all that commotion. They don't do well with commotion, you know. Tifa was fine. Anyhow, here's what we get. We get a few rhinestones. We get some white resin. Oh, we get like a pinkish orange AB. Some marquees, and then some little bitty gold marquee that have the crystals on the back. Neat. So that will be fun. I like him. He's cute. He's cute. You come over here. Get out of the way. Okay, this one, I was excited, but I was scared, and I was like, oh, did I do it? Did I do it? This one has tweezers. Did I get the same thing twice? I did not get the same thing twice. I thought it was the same one, but it isn't. I have a gnome like this, and I'm actually working on it. But he has a bunch of sunflowers down here, and he has bees buzzing around him. He's different, okay? And he's saying peace. This guy's not saying peace. He's just waving. So they are totally different, and I love both of them. This one is cool. They're going to have this crystal clear background, but this one's going to have like some little yellow, you know, flecks, some little star-shaped things. They're cool, aren't they? They're so cool. Outlined in black. He's going to be outlined with black. Aren't they fun? I love these. 13 different shapes, stones, etc., etc. Okay. I'm probably going to have the other one done today. And I'll be able to show you guys. He's so cool. I love him. Okay, what do we have? Well, here's our black resin for outlining. Here's our small rhinestones for the background. Some orange, some red, some amber color. green, yellow. Oh yeah, he's got lots of yellow. Some pink. Here's our medium clear rhinestones. Here's the larger ones to make the bubble background. Oh, look what we have again. Wow, we got lots of golds here. We got little golds with the crystal back. We have a medium gold and a large gold. So we have 3 different sizes of those golds. That's cool. I like it. I like it. Okay, he's going to be fun to do too. He's going to be fun to do. Okay, last one. This one is a very pliable canvas and it came really wrinkly and I'm trying to get it flattened out. I mean, look at it. It's really, really wrinkly. He's going to need an iron for sure. But look at how cute that is. It says Merry Christmas. We've got 2 gnomes and a deer and a tree in our plaid truck. A plaid truck. I'm certain it's supposed to say something here, but we are not going to worry about that. We're just going to cover that up. But the lettering here, Merry Christmas, you can read that. That's awesome. I'm not going to do the white. I'm going to cut this out. I'm just going to cut it out and I'm not doing that white edges. And I'll put it on something. Yeah, and frame it. Make it look cool. It's got 24 colors. I love it, right? Love it. I think it might say gnome. I don't know what it says. There's no telling. We're not going to worry about that though. The letters are just going to disappear. All right. Don't you love it? It's a plaid truck on a plaid background. And then this is kind of a checkerboard plaid as well around the outside. It's just a plaid kind of day. And they're so cute. They are so cute. All right. Here's all that white that I'm not going to use. Not going to use the white. We got tan, peach, browns, green. What else do we have? What else do we have? Green, purple, green, peach, another green with blue, hello, rusty color, some more greens, burgundy, reds, neon orange, some more tans and browns. Now we get some grays, and we get some black, a blue, a purple, and a pretty like pink color. I like it. I like it. What do you think, you guys? What do you think? We got the gnomes in the truck. The gnomes in the truck. We got the Cardinal. We got the Grandkids. And we got this other gnome over here. And then, of course, we got the little bag. What do you think? What do you like? What do you like? I love them all. Don't you love them all? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And let me know what you think. You guys are great about doing that. You always tell me, I loved this one. I love that one. I will link them below so you can go check them out. Again, thank you, Everydayecrafts, for letting me pick out some awesome stuff. And yeah, it's time for me to go and do some diamond painting. I need to finish that other gnome because I might want to do this one. I'd really like to do the Cardinal and see how that works out. Anyhow, okay. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, come back, see more stuff, have a good time. And I appreciate all of you for doing that. All right, have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.